Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project to share with you guys, another Sweet Baby Boy album using a different paper collection that I have not yet played with. I don't think I have. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. I don't even know anymore, guys. I feel like I've made so many baby boy albums specifically, and only like one or two baby girl, but lots of baby boy albums lately. So I'm going to show you guys what this one looks like and where I got the idea or the tutorial from. So let's get started and let's get right into this Sweet Baby Boy album. So the collection here is literally called Sweet Baby Boy. It's by Lori Whitlock by Echo Park. This is actually that very front cover from the paper. It's like that first, cover sheet. That's where that's from. I just fussy cut it out and I added another little like die cut piece that says "You Are Loved" to get rid of the piece under here that says by Lori Whitlock. I added in some flowers here, I cut out some greenery and stuck that down. I've got my seam binding closure here. This is the spine all stitched and everything and triple layered because this is a 6.5 by 6.5 album. And obviously I was cutting my paper to 6 by 6, even though I did have the full 12 by 12 collection kit. But the reason I cut everything down to 6 by 6 is because I was actually working on two of these at the same time. So here is one of them. The other one I have not yet finished. I just have the inside kind of pieces done, and then so this is the inside pieces. This is just what they look like before I even like get to stick them down. Each one of these is made out of one white 12 by 12 cardstock, and the tutorial is by Let's Get Scrappy, so I'm going to have that link down below. So I'm working on that second one and I don't have a lot of paper left. Obviously I need some paper to do the front and back covers for the album, and then also the front and back inside covers as well, but everything else is pretty much done and stuck down. This is all I got left. So maybe I'll be able to make like a couple of cards with this afterwards when I'm done as well. But yeah, that's what the collection looks like. So this other one is still a work in progress. The cover is definitely going to be different because I don't have another one of these, because that was the cover sheet for this. So we'll see what the other one turns out like as well. And obviously I'll also do another project share on that when it's done. All right, so when you open this cutie up, it looks like this. I love the cover. Look at those flowers, guys. I love it. Okay, so when you open this up, it looks like this. Fun little baby boy album. Here I have a waterfall. It just says "Baby Boy, Adorable, Handsome, Rockabye, You Are Loved, Blessing and Bundle of Joy." This time, normally I do like my magnetic closures on the outside here, but I didn't want to cover up this cut apart, so I did it on the inside, like right here, and then this flips, and then I did have the solid paper as well, so I was able to cover that up. So that's just what that looks like. And then to close this, you just go like that and it snaps closed. Here is a pocket with a couple of cut aparts. It says "Welcome Little One" and "Little Boy." And those just live in this pocket here. And you could see I double matted on all of these with like this blue cardstock I had in my stash. It's like a turquoisey kind of blue color, but I thought it went well and I liked it, so I just went with it. Then here you've just got the star paper here where you could just add a photo. Here I've got this little like die cut that says name, length, date, and weight. So you can write stuff down here, and then you could also tuck a photo underneath that and add a photo here. Here I have another pocket. Looks like this. That's Precious and two cut aparts, Bringing You Home, and a journal card. So that just lives in the pocket here. Then another place for like photos. You could do a couple of photos. You could do a full bigger photo, whatever you want to do. Same thing here. Another space for photos. I did also put like some scraps of paper in between the signatures. Here is another pocket. This is the second signature now. Another pocket that says "A baby is a blessing, a gift from heaven above, a gift from heaven above, a precious little angel to cherish and to love." So that's really cute, and this you could see is from the front cover sheet, but you could add a photo to the back of this or do some journaling on there. But yeah, that's what all of these are from the front cover sheet. Actually, now I didn't even notice this, but look, see, you can see it's from the front cover. I'm gonna cover these up and I'm gonna mat them onto some cardstock because I don't like that. So I will mat those. Good thing I'm doing this flip through. Then we were up to here. Here it says tiny but mighty. We've got another cut apart, and that's a little tuck spot. Again, gotta mat these. Here you could add another full-size like photo, another pocket here with a couple of stickers from the sticker sheet, and this says sweet baby. And these are not gusseted pockets, so you can't fit too much in here, but you can fit a couple of photos. Here's another tuck spot that says there's really nothing quite so sweet as tiny little baby feet, with another cut apart here. That's a little tuck spot. And all of these are also like pocket pages, so you could also add more photos into these pages as well. Same thing here. Then this last page, I've got another little tuck piece that says eat, play, sleep, repeat, and baby's first year, and you could just tuck that under there. But you could also add a photo. So I'm going to go mat these. I'm not sure what color I'm going to mat them with. We'll see. And then here you could add another full-size photo. So a cute little album. It was so fun to make. I've been enjoying making all this like baby boy albums. I've been making so many of them and I've been enjoying it. Like everyone's just been having babies and I love baby paper. I think it's just so cute. And I can't wait to get the new one that I'm still waiting to arrive from A Cherry on Top. I forgot what it's called, but it's like a boho kind of, like a boho theme for a baby. And it's just really cute. So I can't wait to craft with that one. All right, guys, so the tutorial is going to be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to create something. I'm going to go mat my papers before I forget. And that is it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.